few important topics of C. Number 1 is Bitfield, number 2 is compound statement, number 3 is modifier. First comes to Bitfield. What is Bitfield? As we know, when you are declaring the variable, many memory bits will be go on wastage. Here our requirement is to use each memory bit efficiently. Means suppose you are taking 1 byte of memory and 6 bit is used and 10 bit is misuse, means unused, we want to restrict it, and that is possible by the help of your bit field. So the definition clarifies. In C you can state the size of the structure or union member in the form of bit field. This concept is used because the efficiently utilizing the memory when you know that your amount of a field or collection of field is not going to exceed the specific limit or it is in between the desired range. Variables that are defined using a predefined width or size are called bit field. The bit field can leave more than a single bit. The format and syntax of bit field are as follows. Suppose we are taking data type as integer, variable is x, suppose it will take 16 bit, we can specify the bit. Means if 7 bit is given 7, then it will take 1 byte. If 1 bit is given, that is also taken the 1 bit byte. Then suppose we are taking 9 bit, means it is upper than 8 bit, means 1 byte more, hence it is 2 bit. Suppose we are taking integer x, but 1 byte of space we need to store all the bits, then we can specify 1 colon 1, means 1 bit will be taken instead of 2 bytes. 1 byte, because we know integer takes 2 byte. If colon 1 is given, means it is 1 bit, means it will take 1 byte. If it is taken 7, means 7 bit, that is 1 byte. If it is 8, it is 1 byte. If it is 9, that is 2 byte. Accordingly, we can restrict the size of the bits. How you have taken? Suppose you have taken structure integer and its variable is status 1. Then another structure we have taken, that is width validated, height validated, and we have specified 1 and 1. And if you measure the size of first structure where bit field is not specified, as in some of the online editor, integer takes 4 bytes and hence 4 for 8 byte will be taken. And if in this structure we have taken 1 1, means half of the size of the integer will be taken, means integer as takes 4 bytes and for 4 bytes, then 1 1 means it will takes 2 bytes each, and hence 2 plus 2 is 4 byte will be taken. Means instead of taking 4 bytes of memory space, we take, instead of taking 4 byte of memory space for each individual variable, and we have taken 2 bytes each, means lot of memory bits we have saved. What is the work of size of? Size of is used to measure the space consumption by the data type in the memory. If we want to run this program, then move to your corresponding online editor and start running this. Here the program is being there. You run it, you will be getting the adequate result. Suppose we have increase or decreasing here, then the space will be automatically increase and decrease. Here we can specify the width, means how much space we want to take. If you don't specify the width, then what will be taken? The normal space consumed by the data type will be taken. See, it will be again display, that is your 8 and 8. The second thing in today's class is compound statement. What is compound statement? Remember, the block which is present within the two curly brackets is known as your compound statement, and you remember that a compound statement does not ended with a semicolon, because we are starting curly bracket and ending curly bracket, that is not ended with a semicolon. Integer a equal to 7, we can like this starting and ending a block. A is incremented by 1, means a becomes 8, and if you display a, that will be displaying 8. So compound is nothing but it's a block of statement. Anywhere you can start a block and you can end a block. Then one of the most important thing is modifier. You remember that every data type has a certain range, and every data type is classified furthermore, and hence classifying any data type furthermore is known as your modifiers. What modifier represent? How much size you will take, and how much space will take and what is its formatted string. Like this, character is divided into two types, signed character, unsigned character. Integer is divided into signed integer, unsigned integer, signed short integer, unsigned short integer, long integer, signed long, unsigned long. These are the classification of integers. Float and a double is of two types, once double and the long double. Signed character and unsigned character takes 1 byte of memory space. Integer, signed integer, unsigned integer, short integer, unsigned integer takes 2 bytes of memory space. Long, signed long, unsigned long takes 4 bytes of memory. Float takes 4 bytes of memory. Double takes 8 bytes of memory. Long double takes 10 bytes of memory. How much memory it will taken? Like this, the range will be changed. For signed character, the format string is percentile %C. For unsigned character, the format string is also percentile %C. For integer, format string is percentile %D. For signed integer, the format string is percentile %D. Unsigned integer, the format string is percentile %U or percentile %I. For short integer, percentile %HI. For unsigned short integer, percentile %HU. For long integer, percentile %L, percentile %LD or percentile %LI. For signed long, percentile %LLI or percentile %LLD. Unsigned long, percentile %LU. For float, format string percentile %F. For double, format string percentile %LF. For long double, percentile capital %LF. Like this, there is some range. Signed character having the range between -128 to +127. Unsigned character having the range between 0 to 255. General integer having the range between -32768 to +32767. Signed integer and integers range is same. Unsigned integers range is 0 to 65,535, and there is a rule. If in signed integers positive value you multiply to in its positive value and making +1, then it will be making the unsigned integer range. Short integer range same as unsigned integer. Unsigned short integer range is 65,000 to 535. Long integer range is -21474836 482 +2147438647. Signed long range is same as long. Unsigned long is range is 0 to 4294967295. Float value having the range -3.4 e35 means exponent value to +34 e exponent 38, like double and long double having the values. From this you can specify how much space you will take and which data type you will be taking for storing which type of a value. Just like if you want to carry something, what will be the capacity of the container, it is determined by the user. If you don't know the size of the data type, it is very difficult to specify the variable which type will be taken. Hence, modifier is taken, or modifier is most essential. I think three short things we discussed today: modifier, compound statement, and Bitfield. It is understandable to you. Having any doubt, please make the comments. And if you like the video, kindly like it. If you did not subscribe previously, kindly subscribe it. And we will be coming with some new topic in the next class. Thank you.